guys. Easy. Guys. Hey, Jesse. Say, wow, go on, people. Yeah. Say, trouble. So we there. And we start off the vlog, yeah? Yeah. See how me look and cute? Yes, how me look and cute up. Sun hot out here. About to do this.
Sarah. Afternoon, Sarah. How you doing, Sarah? How you doing?
Yo, people, walk on.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
let me stop that, yo. What going on? Yeah.
What is the problem?
No problem.
Yeah,
No problem at all.
Outside, you know.
Yes, and it's that.
Yeah, dog. We will negotiate, dog.
So right now you go to the falls and just breeze out here. Yeah, the sun hot today.
I'm gonna look for like a white lady.
You wiki! And watch over, so we there.
Probably somebody. It's probably a European, a Spanish, maybe Portuguese. I'll do to Timmy in Portuguese. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yo. I mean, I ain't too what they say, multilingual, you know. As charting.
Me, I am multilingual. I speak English, para Espanol, fuck you is French. That's true.
No cussing on the vlog. No obscenities on the vlog. You got young kids here, eh? You got young kids here. What's wrong with you, mate? You got young, yeah.
Oi, my friend. We going by the falls there and look and see we get some stir fried chicken.
I tell you, let's say I know that with you. Listen, I am a Grenadian Barbadian. You don't understand that. I from St. Michael's born in Barbados, grew up in Grenada, you know, so I pick up each
what
one.
You know about flying fish and cuckoo?
Listen, they don't know about that.
You don't know about that?
Listen, they don't know about flying fish and cuckoo, but anyway, we reach by the fall, we're going across by the waterfall and take a swim, right? So, out of that.
You check the eyes are Egyptian, you check out my mustache and my booty. See that? Eyes are Egyptian.
So, right now, yeah, walking this shit, easier, aliens.
Sonic, around it like Sonic.
Aliens, man, I walk with.
Cause we got it.
And the dog there. Dog! So right now, walking the road.
It's like one wheel away from dying.
So, okay, we're on a journey.
I'm
Nothing
going
no
on a trip with my favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky, little Einstein.
Hey, no, wait. Pee Dora.
Dora. Diego. I don't look like Diego already. You see me, I look half Mexican, half black. Look me up, Dan, young Nori.
Okay. And it's that. Yep. We are on a beat. We go on a... Huh? Gonna look for he gonna look for woman.
Nah, I go in and catch our vibes now.
Okay. What is that?
Watch it now. I already had the products on deck in the jail. Look at it right here.
I don't know he had it, you know. I not on that, you know. I not on what he on, you know. You lie.
That's why I can see them bikinis clearer.
Clear vision, huh?
Clear vision. 2020.
You should do an ad for them. Wiki! Watch your mouth. Oh, where you going? You want to bite people out? I watch people like him a spy. Go by the first waterfalls and see what's going on. Gosh, I'll
tell you, I'm a stylish guy in the jail. You see, I rocking my camo fedora, my custom faded t-shirt, my custom stitch and bust slippers, and me, I went those shampoo and shit. You probably think it's something else?
What is that? Oh, you walking, man. I mean, if you can, nice, you know. Gosh.
No, this is the sister fall of Annadale. This is Annadale's adopted sister, Michelle.
Hey, Michelle. Hey, Michelle, and over this Annadale. Okay. What you say, who?
Like Michelle. Michelle Ali.
Okay. Okay. Boy. Woo! Cool outside, cool boy.
Wow, don't be nice boy, yeah?
I'm telling you boy.
Got a nice little pot in the back here. There's a lot something in the corner there nobody can see.
A nice little pot in the back here. Chill out, you know? You know,
watch. Here's a nice place to have a dip. First get investment right here. Right on the corner.
Them stone flip, you know, bullshit bro.
I telling you about I want to bust my back there.
It's cool. Outside cool. The sea nice. Water nice. But I ain't feel like taking a dip there now. I feel like take a dip over so. Oh, take a dip over so in the next one now. Yeah. A lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know, you know. We got 2 falls in Annadale. Annadale got 2 falls. Yeah? It's just a normal stroll, you know.
What I tell them is I live with olive kids.
And it's that.
This is my residence. Caribbean cuisines I ever ate off of my plate. One for they take notes boy.
Yeah boy, you know. But I remember days I used to go up and talk there and jump there. Where is that? What? That's okay, it's worth to be used. That worth to be used, right? Yeah. Watch me, I used to go on top and jump down. But I grow beard now. So I won't do it no more. Yeah. I'm gonna do it again because I have beard now. Yeah, beard go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, people. So we leaving here and we go to the next spot.
Look at confusion over there, boy.
Yeah, boy,
2 big trucks quarreling. One with sand and one empty.
I don't know, but there has to be something about that heavy traffic. Anyways, yes, we're not politicians, you know. We just doing some videos.
Vote for me, 2024. Young Mary.
That's the thing I doesn't indulge in politics. Yep. So we're leaving, we're left in. We're leaving, we go in, bye bye.
And it's out of here.
Yeah, I don't talking, listen, I don't talking nice and thing, you know. Some of them.
Right now we're out of
see freaking thing, oh gosh.
You also?
Yeah, boy. I feel.
They don't see me want next step for that.
Yeah, boy. There you go on. Apparently, people, they say you have to pay to go in the waterfalls. Imagine a banana go up there. Yes, they say I have to pay. A banana go up in the place and I have to pay money to go down there. Then I didn't know. Then I now come out in a free one over there. I now come out in a free falls over there to come in another. Listen, because I already paid $3. Just like them tourists and them, you understand?
Oh God,
because they say maintenance and upkeeping of the falls and then kind of something, you understand? You check? So when I come in, walk with all $3. When I come in, walk with all $3 to go down the falls.
Oh,
understand? But for me now,
hey,
I always have something up my sleeve, yeah? What are you saying, cuz?
Of course.
But we're in good trouble today.
Nah, I mean, you won't talk much.
You're not on that, yes. Say less, yes? So when you have to come in Annadale Waterfalls, walk with all $3, pay your money like the tourists and them, you understand?
Oh, we put it on Facebook.
Say hi to Sabrina.
Hey boy, why are we hearing me?
Yes, so she's one of our YouTube followers.
Yeah,
yes.
I know it.
So right now, since we can't go into the falls and take a chill pill, I mean we'll come back and go to the next one in the free one over there. Is it? Yeah. Because I don't know, it's like telling me I have to pay to go and Ghana's beach, you know? I mean, the show is for the locals, the residents only. There are some people residing in the area, do pay a fee. But I mean, I don't want to say too much, yeah? If I want to bathe in the falls, I'll go bathe it. But I don't want to say,
on God.
I don't want to say too much. You see it? Alright, so you take a look walk up in the forest side and see what's going on. You know?
See some monkeys?
Yeah. Tuki.
You know it is.
Boy, it's a check on that. Next time? No. Next time I don't know. Next time I do. No, no way. I don't say too much, and you know. But yes. I'll pay all the $3 and go around the people fast if I want to bid. In the night time, they say in the night time it's free. Because you're going to buy drinks and things, you know what I mean?
And watch the spotlight touch the falls.
Yeah, what? Couldn't go by the falls and take a base right now. Heading down to Ghana. And take a swim and then you check it. Yeah, no bad boy for doctor. Yeah. Bad boss. Bad boss. Yeah, driver don't even turning back. Yeah. Bad music. Bad music. Right now it's cold. Guess where I do? What I guess now? Cannons. She do taking bosses, he do good. Yeah, so I think I'm joking. Watch, I'm serious, I might be looking like if I'm not serious, but what are you talking and thing? Yeah, go now. Watch out, go now. Not here. Watch out, go now. Watch. Watch out, go now. Watch. Ooh. Yeah. Sand between my toes, I don't even joking. Yep. Trouble! You think we're wrong? You think we're south? Eh? We out here? We out! You think greens? Watch how green are nice. Look at them pretty girls now. Whining. Eh? Yeah. Young now, give them a piece of freestyle now, Joe. Give them a piece of
shit. 23 years and the damn thing change. If a nigga keeps frontin', he's gon' feel my rage. Gun range, sucker small shit's finna stay the same. Like I said before, homie, I ain't about no change. Look, I'm slowly reaching the age where I can reason. Fake niggas taking shit for granted. I guess they mastered it out of treason. Stabbing best bros in the back for no motherfucking reason.
Don't give them too much, man. Hold on. Give them the watch. Yeah, can't give them too much. But Grenada is the best place in the whole wide world.